I have seen a lot of people struggling to create content. I mean, they do not have a lot of time to do it, especially carousels. So why not take the help of AI? So recently I found a cool AI tool, PostNitro. Let's see if AI can help us.
Today, let's see how can we generate carousel in 2 minutes using AI. So I found an awesome tool for you, which is postnitro.ai, and you don't need to learn the Canva. You don't need to learn a lot of graphics and editing skill. This tool does it for you. You just need to generate the content from your side and just you can update there. Or even if you don't want to generate the content as well, there is a lot of ways you can add the text, article links, tweets, and it does generate for you. So let's see. So you can go to this tool and you can just sign up with the Google or any other websites. Once you into the tool, you can see a dashboard. So first I'll go to the text, the AI. So here it says about AI generation. You can add the topic name, text, article link, or just a Twitter link, and it does for you. So I'm gonna select the text. So let me get the best text. So I usually go to product and to generate the content. So because there are a lot of communities and communities put their thoughts, and I can really get the content which is user generated, which has a lot of authenticity, and allow to share that content with a lot of people. So let's say, how do you measure the ROI of digital marketing campaign? A lot of people are having the same questions, and there's a lot of different ways you can measure the ROI, but let's see what the people has said about it. So I see there are a lot of user generated content, and I do not have the time to go through each and every the topics and what they have say. What I'll do is I already have the content feed uploaded, so I'm just clicking on the button here, and this is the home screen. Then I'll go to the extract. It says extract the product article. I'm just extracting all the details, and it also includes all the replies, so I don't need to check mark this. I need the carousel, and there is no preference. Let's see. Okay, so my within 5 seconds, my carousel content is ready. The title is good, unlocking the ROI code of digital marketing magic. So that's the one. If I also want to try a different way, I can also try with OpenAI. Let's see how they are generating. Okay, so it's a good one. I'll save it. I'll again try with one more where I'm just selecting as bullet answer. Let's see. And Gemini is my choice for choice of AI model. Okay, so with Gemini, second time with bullet answer, I see it created a name and then say how you can measure it. I think I will go with this one. So I'm also saving it from here, and all of my carousel are saved here. So I mean, I can use any of them, but let me go with the last one, which I selected. Okay, so my carousel content is ready. I can also use the one which they are providing here. I can just put the article URL and then they are creating. But here I get the option to just do the editing, and if I want to make any changes, I can do. So a lot of time I prefer content feed. Okay, so now I'm here. My text is ready, which I can also take from here and just copy, paste. Social platform, I'll stick with LinkedIn. The tone of content is, I would say, formal. Could be for tech enthusiast, and I would say it's more about content creator, digital marketers. So I'll keep it as entrepreneurs. Let's see, English. So now this free version provide you only 5 slides, but you can go to with the solo plan up to 10 slides. With team plan, you can go to the 20 slides. Same way, you can also select different models. So with the free version, I have a GPT-4o mini, which I'll use it. And let me see how it's generate the text from my content. Okay, so it's generated. So if I want to make a changes, I can do directly in the text, but I'll first see all the other options. So if you can go to the import, you can just import your CSV or doc file where all the content is written, like your blog post or something. So these are different templates you can use. So I would choose the wallet one. I like it. And let me go to the next one where it says about the head shots. Okay, so handle for my company page is Dolphy.io. I can pick an image as well. Okay, so I updated the company information, so that is done. And I just want to show my company details only on the first and last page, or I can just do it for all the pages. I think I'll go with first and last page, and yeah, I'll just go with the size. The design, I like this one. This just looks better. I can default is good. You can just like do the experiment. You can change the layouts, graphics, editing, design elements, so on. I'll just keep it as basic as possible for sake of the video. From here, you can also change the colors. I think I like the color, but I will also check colors into the same category. So let me just select from here. Okay, I like this color. So I selected the colors, the text. I can play around with the text, but I think this is all looks good for me. Okay, so the text which is generated by AI from PostNitro, if I want to change it, I can just click here and do change. So what I did is I just went to my original text, which I created using ContentFeed, and I just, I replace all of them. So now I have a 10 slides because I have a free plan. Still, I could generate 10 slides because I can just keep adding slides from here. You can also add background images if you have the premium plan. You can do much. You can also do changes with contents, and there are more options. So you can make it much better. For the sake of video, I generated the simple one with the nice messages. So this is done. Now if you want to change the dimensions, you can do from here. I think I'm fine, and I just want to download from here, and you can just click on the download, and I think it's gonna be ready in few seconds. And my carousels is ready to download. I can just upload to my LinkedIn and I'm done. So please let me know how do you like this tool and the carousel which is generated. So I wanted to build this video because there are so many founders, there are so many solopreneurs, and there are so many marketers. Even they cannot spend a lot of time, but they really want to create carousel to share their insights. So you can use this tool. It's not too expensive, and I like the way it's creating and giving me all the different options to generate carousels.
So that's about it. I will review such more AI tools on this channel. So it can help you to buy a best one in the market. Please like and comment below if you are not sure which AI tool to buy or how to use AI to generate text, audio, video, talking avatars, graphics. Then please comment below and I'll create the next video for them.